Hello guys, now I'm welcome back to Yummy channel. Okay, for right now I will show you how to make sin cilantro. Yeah, okay, cilantro soup. Okay, you can see cilantro vegetable. Okay, cilantro vegetable. Okay, now you can see in the video we have pork with bone. Yeah, or we can call pork bone. Okay, and this vegetable is we call cilantro. Yeah, cilantro. Okay, now you will see how to process it step by step. Okay, let's go. Alright, now we need to do that. Okay, so cilantro. Okay, cilantro. You can see in the video this vegetable is very delicious and it's looking yummy. Okay, today is very good vegetable now. That's looking yummy. And this food is very simple, yeah, easy to cook. Okay. This vegetable is very fresh. You can see in the video, it's fresh, very cool. Green color. Yeah, you can see this vegetable is really nice. Okay, I like green color. Okay, it's natural vegetable. You can see in the video. Okay, for right now we need to roast vegetable. Yeah, okay, you can see in the video. Roast cilantro. Yeah. Sorry, cilantro. Okay, you can see cilantro vegetable. You can see in the video. Okay, that's looking very cool. We need to roast pork. Yeah, pork with bone. Okay, you can see in the video now. Okay, so we need to roast it well. Yeah. Roast it well. Garlic. So we need to roast. We need to break. Okay, break garlic. Yeah. Okay, you can see the garlic. Okay. And then we need to slice. This slice. Yes, you can see in the video. Yeah. Now we add all here, add all in the pot. Okay, you can see in the video here. Yes. Garlic here. And then we stir it well. Okay, now we low power. Okay. Low heat, yeah. Okay, and then we add pork. Okay, pork here. Pork with bone, and then you can put it in there. Okay, when you add pork, we need to hit low. If you not hit low, it will be like the boom. You can see the video. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now we add salt. Okay, you can see in the video salt. And then you add sugar. Okay, sugar, and after that we add seasoning. Yeah, seasoning. Okay, now wait for a while, and after that we need to stir it up. Okay, now we need to stir. Yeah, stir it up. Okay, now we stir it up. You can see in the video. Yeah. Yes. And then we need to heat up. Yeah, heat up. Put power up. Okay. Yes, you can see. Okay, that is very nice. Okay, for right now we need to wait 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Okay, until it's nearly that's all of water. Okay, you can see in the video. Okay, I'm sorry for my English is very bad. Sometimes I'm wrong with speaking in English. Okay, so I'm sorry. I apologize for everyone. Add Khmer. Okay, soup Khmer. And then we add fish sauce. Okay. Yes, fish sauce. Okay, and then stir it well. And after that, we need to heat up. Yeah, heat up. Okay, and then we wait 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute to 2 minutes. Now we need to add water after we wait 1 minute. Okay, add water, cold water. Okay, you can see in the video here. And we heat up. Yeah, heat power up. Okay, so we add 2 cans and a half. Okay, 2 cans and a half. And after that we need to pour it. Okay, pour it. Okay, and after that we need to wait until boiling water. Okay, boiling water. Okay, boiling water. Yeah, you can see in the video. After boiling water, we need to add vegetable. Okay, you can see in the video. Yeah. Okay, cilantro vegetable is very yummy. Yeah. Okay, you can see in the video we need to add cilantro here. Or we wait 2 minutes. We need to add leaf. Okay, leaf. Cilantro leaf. Okay. And then we push it into hot water. Yeah. That's really nice, really beautiful. Yeah, looking cool with this vegetable. It is very fresh. Yeah. Okay, now we need to cover it and wait 1 minute or 2 minutes. We are done. Okay, now boiling water. After we wait 1 minute to 2 minutes. Okay. So we are done for this food. Okay, we are done for this food cooking. Okay, now we taste it. It have good flavor. Okay. Okay, so thank you for everyone that always like, comment, and share on my video. Okay, and always watching on my video. So please don't forget subscribe on my channel to get more video updates every day. Okay, so thank you. Goodbye. See you next video. Bye bye.